Okay, so neurolinguistic programming is a sales system that understands how the body works. So if you have a prospect sitting in front of you, it's to your best interest to learn how to understand what their learning style is. So when you're about to tour them around the school, you ask them a question. Do you want to take a look at the school and see what's happening, or do you want to get a feel for the school and get a real grasp of it? Whichever one they answer, that's the word, that's the way they are. They're either kinesthetic or they're visual. So then when you go around the classroom, if somebody says, when you go in the hallway and go to their classroom, somebody says, I want to see what's going on, do we let them sit down and be part of the classroom, or do we let them just look at what they want to look at? Right, and if they go, I want to get a grasp of the situation, do we have them look, or do we have them go to the manipulative table, and we have them go to the sand table, and we have them sit down and experience it? Make sense? Right. And then when you take them back to your office, and I'm going a little fast because I want to get to the last part, when you get back to your office, you then sit, and as you're talking to them, well, number one, always get the deposit. I don't care if it's $50. They will remember that $50. Always get that deposit. 80% of the time, if they walk out of the school, they're not coming back. Okay? Always get the deposit because they'll remember that $50, a full tank of gas will have them put their child in your school for 1 month. Make sense? And the way that you read somebody is you do all different types of cues. So if I'm sitting across from her and I want to see if she's really agreeing or wants to pay attention, I'll do something like this, or I'll do something like this, or whatever it is. And if within 30 seconds she mimics it, she's on board. If she doesn't, or she sits back or leans back, she's not on board. You change the conversation to go more into the learning style that she has. Does that make sense?